Hi guys, good afternoon. Cruise Control Marks Garage. So guys, nag-install tayo ng auto fold side mirror dito sa GL Grandia. Ayan na po, nakalock po yan. Okay, check nyo po. Ito po, unlock natin, mag-unfold yung side mirror. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Ayos, dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control Marks Garage. No splicing, no cutting. Okay guys, thank you.